Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be focusing on the cargo pumps, which are the powerhouse behind the safe and efficient loading and discharging of liquid cargo on tanker ships, whether it's crude oil, refined petroleum products, or chemicals. Their operation is fundamental to a tanker's purpose, making their design and reliability paramount. The choice of pump depends heavily on the type of cargo, its viscosity, and the required discharge rate. Broadly, cargo pumps on tankers fall into two main categories: centrifugal pumps and positive displacement pumps. Centrifugal pumps, which are the most common type on large crude oil and product tankers, operate by using a rotating impeller to impart kinetic energy to the liquid, converting it into pressure energy. These pumps are highly efficient for handling low to medium viscosity liquids at high flow rates. They are often installed vertically within the cargo tank itself, known as deepwell pumps, or horizontally in a dedicated pump room. The deepwell pump design is particularly popular on chemical tankers because it eliminates the need for pump room bulkheads, minimizing the risk of cargo contamination and simplifying tank cleaning. The pump motor, typically electric or hydraulic, is located on deck, driving a long shaft down to the submerged pump impeller. Positive displacement pumps, such as screw pumps or reciprocating pumps, are generally used for highly viscous cargoes like heavy fuel oil or asphalt, or for the final stages of discharge, known as stripping. These pumps trap a fixed volume of liquid and force it through the discharge line, maintaining a constant flow rate regardless of the discharge pressure. They excel at high-pressure, low-flow applications. Stripping pumps are critical for ensuring that the minimum possible quantity of cargo remains in the tanks and pipelines after discharge, minimizing both cargo loss and environmental risk. Tankers are fitted with extensive piping and valve systems to direct the flow of cargo from the tanks to the pumps and then to the shore terminal. The cargo piping network is carefully designed to allow for the simultaneous handling of different grades of cargo without mixing, a process known as segregation. The power source for these pumps is substantial. In the pump room, centrifugal pumps are often driven by powerful steam turbines or electric motors. The high power demand means the ship's auxiliary boilers and generators must be fully operational during cargo operations. Pump rooms are designated hazardous areas and must be equipped with powerful ventilation systems to prevent the accumulation of explosive hydrocarbon vapors. All electrical equipment must be intrinsically safe or explosion-proof. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.